This summer, get ready for speed, power, and pure adrenaline. On June 28th, Major League Drone Racing is taking over Mesa, Arizona, and we're teaming up with Garage Dreams Market and Expo for a day you won't forget. Experience the future of sports entertainment with live, high-speed drone racing battles, roaring classic cars, custom builds, and motorsport madness, all in one place. Watch pro drone pilots tear up the skies, meet the teams, and feel the rush of drones and horsepower colliding. It's all happening June 28th at Garage Dreams Market and Expo in Mesa, Arizona. Bring your family and friends. Don't miss it.